So your airbag light is on your MR2. To erase it, first thing you gotta do, go to your engine bay and locate your diagnostics port. Once you do, go ahead and pop it open. You'll see a diagram in the back of the cab. Locate TC and AB on the diagram since we will be using those two ports. Now grab some wire. If you like, you can put an adapter like I did, so you can ground that wire much easier. You will need to use two of these wires, one for TC and one for AB. I went ahead and grounded the wires to a nearby ground by the diagnostics port. And with the key in the ignition with the switch on, engine off position. So now you grab your wires and you put ground on TC for 1 second, then you remove it. Then you put ground on AB for 1 second and you remove it. You gotta repeat this step 5 times, finishing on TC. Then you gotta hold the ground on TC and you'll see the airbag light blink really fast. And you're done. Also, it helps if you put your trunk down and support it with something. That way you can see through the rear window into your cluster and you're able to see as you're grounding off TC and AB. This will take a few tries since you have to get the timing and the rhythm right. So give it a try and good luck. Thank you for watching.